Welcome to English Quiz Channel. Total questions 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started.
You have to finish your homework before going out. She must attend the meeting tomorrow. We must be there on time. He has to take care of his little sister tonight. I have to wake up early tomorrow. You must bring your ID to enter the building. They have to submit the report by Monday. We must wear formal clothes to the event. She had to leave the party early. I have to go to the dentist this afternoon. You must respect your elders. He has to finish the project by tomorrow. They have to clean their room before going out. We must follow the safety rules. She must apologize for her mistake. I have to pay the rent before the weekend. You have to practice more if you want to improve. We have to leave by 7 p.m. to catch the train. He has to submit his assignment before the deadline.